Okay, students, let's continue our chapter, The Tiger King. We are on the fourth part of it. Okay, let's continue. The Maharaja Tiger hunts continued to be highly successful. Means the Maharaja ਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ tiger hunting ਸੀ, that was he was continually doing tiger hunting successfully. Within 10 years, he was able to kill 70 tigers. How many tigers he was able to kill within 10 years? 70. ठीक है. And then an unforeseen hurdle brought his mission to a standstill. Standstill, the meaning ਹੁੰਦਾ stop. Unforeseen means he didn't think about it earlier. Hurdle means obstacle. Then after killing 70 tigers, ਤਾਂ ਉਸਦੇ ਰਸਤੇ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਕ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਆ. That due to that he had to stop his mission. The tiger population became extinct in the state forests of Pratibandhapuram. Means after 10 years or after killing 70 tigers, Pratibandhapuram ਦੇ forests ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਟਾਈਗਰ ਆ ਉਹ ਐਕਸਟਿੰਕਟ ਹੋ ਗਏ, ਖਤਮ ਹੋ ਗਏ. Who knows whether the tigers practiced birth control or committed harakiri. मीन्स हेयर द राइटर आस्क कि किसको पता था कि टाइगर्स ने बर्थ कंट्रोल प्रैक्टिस स्टार्ट कर दी और या फिर उन्होंने सुसाइड करना स्टार्ट कर दिया और सिंपली रेन अवे फ्रॉम द स्टेट बिकॉज दे डिज़ायर टू बी शॉट बाय ब्रिटिश हैंड alone, or might be the tigers ran away from the states or the forest of Pratibandhapuram because they just wanted to be died by the British officers. One day, Maharaja sent for the Diwan Sahib. Aren't you aware the fact that 30 tigers still remain to be shot down by this gun of mine? He asked, brandishing his gun. Brandishing means moving the gun in the air. Then one day, the Maharaja called the Diwan and asked from Diwan means if he was not aware the fact कि अभी तक उसकी गन से 30 टाइगर्स को शूट करना रहता है और ही स्पोक दीज वर्ड्स वाइल मूविंग हिज गन इन द एयर. ओके, शडरिंग एट द साइट ऑफ गन, the Diwan cried out, Your Majesty, I am not a tiger. Shuddering means fearing, shivering with fear. At this, the Diwan, frightened at the sight of the gun को देखकर वो डर गए and said to the king that he was not a tiger. Which idiot would call you a tiger? At this, the king said to him कि कौन idiot आपको tiger बोल रहा है? No, I am not a gun. Then these wording is spoken by the Diwan. He said that he was not a gun. Then the king said, यू आर नाइदर टाइगर नॉर गन. कहते ना तो आप टाइगर हो और ना ही गन हो. दीवान साहिब, आई समबन्ड यू हेयर फॉर डिफरेंट पर्पस. कहता मैंने आपको यहाँ पर किसी डिफरेंट पर्पस के लिए बुलाया है. आई हैव डिसाइडेड टू गेट मैरी. द किंग सेड दैट ही जस्ट वांटेड टू बी मैरी. द दीवान बिगेन टू babble even more. Your Majesty, I have 2 wives already if I marry you. At this, babble means he spoke more unclearly than the earlier and said to the king that he had already 2 wives. अगर कहता मैं आपसे मैरिज कर लूँ तो. At this, the king said to him, Don't talk nonsense. Why should I marry you? At this, king said to him कि nonsense की बातें मत करो. And why कहता आपके साथ मैं मैरिज क्यों करूँगा? What I want is a tiger. Then king came to the main point that what he wanted, that is the tiger. Your Majesty, please think over it. At this, the Diwan said to him that he should think over the matter again. Your Alexanders were married to a sword. Alexanders means पूर्वज. कहता आपके पूर्वज ने स्वॉर्ड के साथ मैरिज किया. इफ़ यू लाइक मैरी अ गन. कहता अगर आप चाहते हो तो आप गन से मैरिज कर सकते हो. अ टाइगर किंग इज मोर देन इनफ फॉर दिस स्टेट. एंड कहता फॉर द स्टेट मीन्स प्रतिबंधापुरम के लिए टाइगर किंग इनफ है. इट डिडंट नीड अ टाइगर क्वीन एज वेल, कहता है उस प्रतिबंधापुरम को टाइगर क्वीन की ज़रूरत नहीं है। Then at this, the Maharaja gave a loud crack of laughter. At this, the king laughed loudly. I am not thinking of marrying either a tiger or a gun. At this, the king said that क्यों ना तो टाइगर से मैरी करना चाहते हैं और ना ही गन से, but a girl from a rank of human beings. But he just wanted to a girl, those who belongs to a human being only. First, you may draw up statistics of tiger population in the different native states. Here the king said to him to do two activities. Firstly, what he had to do कि उसको कैलकुलेशन करनी होगी टाइगर पॉपुलेशन की, जो उसके नेटिव स्टेट्स हैं, उसके मीन्स स्टेट है, डिफरेंट स्टेट्स है, वहाँ पर उसको टाइगर पॉपुलेशन की कैलकुलेशन करनी होगी. एंड next, you may investigate if there is a girl I can marry to a royal family of a state with a large population. Then, what is the second work that he had to do? He had to find a girl who belonged to a royal family and उसकी जो है किंगडम है, जो स्टेट है, उसमें टाइगर पॉपुलेशन बहुत ज़्यादा हो. The Diwan followed his orders. He found the right girl from the state which possessed large number of tigers. Then the king did as said by the tiger king, and he was able to find a girl who was belonged to a rich family, and in that state there were a lot of tigers there in the forests. ठीक है. Maharaja Jang Bahadur killed 5 or 6 tigers each time he visited his father-in-law. Means whenever he went to his father-in-law's state, he killed 5 or 6 tigers. In this manner, 99 tiger skins adorn the walls of reception hall in the Pratibandhapuram palace. And in this way, he was able to kill 99 tigers. And उनकी जो टाइगर स्किन थी उसके साथ जो उसके पैलेस की वॉल्स थी दैट वर डेकोरेटेड, प्रतिबंधापुरम के पैलेस की जो वॉल्स थी दैट वर डेकोरेटेड विद द स्किन ऑफ tigers, and in this way he was able to kill 99 tigers. That's all for today.